Hey guys, this is SJ Seb. Let's make a new video. Today will be the oil and lube of my FZ6 Yamaha. The year is 2006. For that, very simple. You need an Allen wrench and a socket 17mm, a drain pan for the oil, a funnel. Let's make sure we have some towel, new oil. You need about 2.6 quarts because I will do it without changing the filter. I did it last time. With the filter will be 2.96 quarts, so basically 3 quarts. But I got 3 quarts here, so I got plenty. What I will do at the same time is I will stabilize the gas. I just put it in, but very easy. Put the stabilizer, squeeze that. Put 1 ounce per every 2.5 gallon. I got 1 gallon in it. I put about ½ ounce in it. Then just pour that in the gas tank. What I will do, I will run it for 2 reasons. I need to warm up the oil so you can drain it properly. Always do that before you do an oil change. But also one thing, when you stabilize your gas, a mistake that most people do, they will put stabilizer in a gas tank and think your gas is stabilized. Yeah, it is stabilized, but not in the circuit. So you have to run it for a few minutes. So the stabilized gas is going all the way to the engine and the injectors and such. Then it is stabilized. And then I can park it for the winter and get it out safely in March when the season starts again. Okay, so we'll get started. I'm gonna run it for a few minutes. Then we'll come back and drain the beast. See you in a minute. I love this bike. So wonderful. So if you have not subscribed already, just do so. I got plenty of videos coming. Next time there will be my C6. I will have to do the oil and lube on it as well. And there is a little trick to that. It's going to be interesting. There we go. And folks, just to let you know, it's not all about maintenance on cars and bikes. But if you subscribe, you'll be told about the upcoming videos. I'm starting a world tour. I'm going to visit 13 different countries. Some amazing things. I will talk about everything, the preparation, whether it is physical or all the logistic and the administrative parts of it, as well as a budget. And then I'll do a movie for every single country, a separate movie for every single country. For the ones that like traveling, like street food and such, it should be an amazing experience for me, and I want to share that with you guys. Thank you. So let's get started.
Oil pan ready. Clean it well. Here we go. Not too tight. Make sure you choose the right angle. When you do that, because it's going to squirt. There we go, that's right in the pan. Quick and easy. Give it a few minutes. Just wipe. Properly to remove any debris and oil. And keep that on the side.
Okay, while it is draining, one thing that will help Again, I will not remove the filter and change the filter today. But the oil cap, here we go. That will allow air to get in. Will be a lot easier for the oil to get out on the other side. Pretty warm now because I ran that for about 10 minutes and I had a good ride. The oil went out pretty quickly. So we're gonna let it drain a few more minutes just to make sure we get most of it. And then we'll put back the plug, we'll refill it, cycle a few seconds, check the level, adjust the level, and then we're done. Okay, just having a few drops. So we're pretty much empty. One thing I wanted to show you as well, you have 2 mileage. See? The one I reset each time I refill the gas. Then that one, that's when I do the oil and lube. So I do that pretty often, 2500 miles, you can push it further. I think for the good maintenance of an engine, it's not that expensive. I'd rather do that every 2500 miles. And your beast will live longer, never had any issue. It's a 2006. This is still dripping, but few drops, it's not gonna change much. After, of course, you wipe it. That drop is going to go around when I'm screwing that to make a good seal, but always just put some around the lip. It will be a better seal. Always pre-screw that by hand. Okay, just to make sure you're going in a thread properly. Once you partially put the plug, you can remove the oil pan.
Put the plug and let us go firm but not too tight. And that's all you want. Time to refill it. Remove your plug. Keep it nice and clean, a safe place. I did not change the filter. This will be 2.6 carats. And we should be spot on. I'll prepare all of them. Draining the bottle all the way. Let's put the second part.
Go. Went all the way to 400 mil, so I put 600 mil, 950, 950, which is 2.5 liters exactly, which is what we're expecting. Just that one. plug. Plenty enough to recirculate the fluid. And now make sure it is level. And we got the dipstick right here. To check the level, wipe it, check it, and it's good. But I could add a tiny bit more just for the sake of it. And missing just a little touch. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Not very complicated. Be clean, wipe it, recirculate. What I do, I recycle the old oil, use and put that back into the empty cans. Bring that to the shop. They take it back and recycle themselves. So it's pretty handy. Okay, thank you guys. Like it, subscribe, and let's watch the next video. See ya.